Let's talk about why social engineering works. At the center of every successful attack is a predictable human reaction. Attackers study behavior patterns. They understand how people respond under pressure, how they prioritize tasks, and how they interact with authority. Then, they design attacks around those tendencies. One of the most commonly exploited behaviors is the desire to be helpful. If someone believes a coworker needs assistance or a manager needs something urgently, they're more likely to act quickly without questioning the request. Another major factor is time pressure. When people feel rushed, they rely on instinct instead of analysis. Messages like, "This needs to be done immediately," or "I'm in a meeting, handle this now," are designed to short-circuit critical thinking. There's also assumed legitimacy. If something looks official, a familiar logo, a recognizable name, or even a realistic email signature, people are more likely to trust it. And increasingly, attackers are getting better at this. Recent reports show that 36% of cyber incidents begin with social engineering, and many of those attacks involve highly personalized messages tailored to the target. This is partly due to the rise of AI tools, which allow attackers to generate realistic emails, mimic writing styles, and even clone voices. In a 2025 case, attackers used deepfake audio during a Zoom call to impersonate a CEO, convincing a finance team to send over $2 million in fraudulent wire transfers. There are also real-world examples showing how simple these attacks can be. In a 2025 airline breach, attackers gained access to internal systems through a single phone call, convincing an employee to provide access without realizing the risk. No malware, no hacking tools, just conversation. And that's what makes social engineering so effective. It blends into everyday communication. Even well-trained employees can fall for these attacks under the right conditions. Research shows that awareness alone isn't always enough, especially when someone is distracted, multitasking, or trying to meet a deadline. People aren't necessarily careless. Attackers are just strategic. They know exactly how to make something feel urgent, familiar, or routine. Once you understand that, you're already thinking one step ahead.